Okay. Did you guys enjoy that? Make some noise. Right now, if we can have Chief come out and say a couple words. Yeah. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and transition to the next phase of the Pacifica Film Fest. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Paul DeDivas.
Welcome, everybody. Thank you, and what a wonderful event today. Seeing all the students and coming on our campus. Hopefully, you'll be future chargers, right? Yeah, Joey? But no, we, on behalf of student services, on behalf of all the community spaces here, we really want to welcome you to Cypress College. Hopefully we'll see you soon in 10 or so years, so you guys can continue your education and become whoever you want to become. But once again, thank you everybody. Thank you all the entertainment, the dancers, Joey, everybody, the PETA staff for putting this all together. Thank you very much.
And one more time, we'd like to invite Dr. Scott Thayer up here to say some closing remarks.
Thank you, Joey, Paul.
Some popcorn, fresh popcorn.
Really, the sentiments of Cypress College is that you all are welcome here, you belong here, and you are represented here. Our community spaces, our physical locations that we have on campus, to make sure you feel welcome, you feel at home, validated for who you are. So for all you future Chargers, know that you are college-bound, college-ready, and don't let anybody tell you anything. Thank you all for coming out this evening. We appreciate the entertainment. We appreciate the cultural expression. We appreciate the PETA Center and all of our affinity spaces. And Joey and your team always do an outstanding job. So thank you.
Go, Joey!
Okay, there are some folks here that I want to make sure that we acknowledge. Dr. Wynn, where you at? Dr. Wynn, come on up here. Okay, everybody say hi to Dr. Wynn. Polo back. Polo, come on up. Come on up. Dr. Stacy Chang, please. Come on up. This event does not happen with some key folks. We have a special gift for you, Dr. Chang. Dr. Wynn, Polo. Yep. All right. As in all Pacific Islander cultures, we just want to give you folks a token of our appreciation. And I'm glad that you wore pink because we got the number. Perfect. Yeah. Dr. Chang, thank you so much. Dr. Wynn, Polo, thank you, my brother. Appreciate you guys. Do you want to say anything to the students?
Boys and girls, did you have a great time? Yes! Today we are the Chargers, and tomorrow we'll be the Chargers. You guys were beautiful today. I hope you saw the showcasing of the work that was done last year, and we are looking forward to the showcasing of your work that's going to come up in just a few weeks. We are so proud of the work that you have done all year long. I see our parents are here, our students are here, staff are here. Thank you so much for putting all your efforts together. And Cypress College, oh my gosh, this is such an awesome event. Thank you for inviting us. And you guys are all on the day.
Okay. All right. So that is it for this portion. Young folks, I'm very proud of you. Uncle Joe is very proud of you. I need you to say it one last time. You know what I'm going to ask? You are all Chargers today. So on the count of 3, I need everybody to say, go. Wait, let's make sure we get our phones out. Everyone get your phones out. Make sure you tag us on Instagram at Alohaaaa Cypress College. Okay. Go Chargers on 3. Make sure that those folks across the street can hear you. Those folks on the other side of this building. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. For the rest of us, we're going to transition in, and we're going to start the Pacifico Film Fest of Southern California. Dukalanasi Jusmasi, mahalo. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. Woo!
We have some lost keys here. For the rest of us, yes. If we can have if you guys need help to go to lot 5, where we stop off, that's where the kids are going to be.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
Come on, Grateful. I'm allowed you.